Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I'm going to be showing you 3 new paper pads. A couple of them I picked up using my gift card I got for Christmas, and then this was one that I had received as a Christmas gift that I never showed. So I just wanted to go through them. These 2 are new ones right now at Michael's, and I picked these up over the weekend. They were the Doorbuster $4.99 sale for President's Day, so I thought that was great. I always wait till they at least go down to like $5 or $6 before I pick them up. And yeah, so I love these. This was one I'd seen online, and I went to find it a couple times and they didn't have them, and they finally had it this past time. And then this one I just saw on the website. I looked when they sent the notification for the door stopper sale on the Hot Buys, and they had it listed on the website, so I went in and they had it, so I'm super excited about that. So I'll just go through this first. It's called Mint to Be Invention Future. I think it, I don't know what the invention future refers to, but anyway, I love this. These colors are just beautiful, and I'm in love with the lemons and the little bicycle down there. So I'll go ahead and flip through. So there is geometric and a couple sheets of each pattern, of course, as usual. There's this gingham check, really cute cut aparts there. There's gold foiling, if you can't see, shiny, really cool. And then this banner page, it also has gold foiling on it. And then there's the daisy pattern, the lemon. This is a perfect pad for spring and summer. There's that bicycle page. I love that. It's so cute. And then a matching floral, polka dot, another floral page. Here's another cut apart page. This is adorable. Love that. Love the old-fashioned typewriter there. So cute. Another floral, and then here's a polka dot stripe that has some gold foiling on it. Another floral. Kind of an ombre with yellow and green. That's really pretty. Another floral page. Ooh, this is neat. I love it. The border strip page. It says, live life in bloom. Do more of what makes you happy. Love this life. Bring your own sunshine. You are amazing. That's really cute. Love that. And then here's like a little sparkly sprinkle page. Confetti, I guess. Plaid that has gold foiling in it. Oh, this is neat. It's like a page of frames. That's pretty cool. And then this is a brick pattern. Really subtle. And a large daisy page. That's neat. I'm excited to use this in some paper crafting projects. Might do like a colored journal, junk journal, yellows and greens. That would be really pretty. And then here is the new Easter pad. This was the only like specifically Easter like that they have. I don't know if they're coming out with anything else or not. I wish it would come out with like a vintage Easter. That would be really cool. So let's start off in here. Oh, this is really pretty. Hello Spring, and it has the gold foiling there. Really cute Happy Easter page. Here is a page of like little flower wreaths. Little chicks, super cute. Here's one with bunnies. That's adorable. A stripe. Oh, this is cute. gold foil little bunnies. And here's the cut. Oh, this is a pretty floral. And then the cut up hearts. I love this page. It's adorable. Love that. And then a stripe. This is a page of silhouette bunnies. I don't know if you can catch that. Really cute. And then a polka dot, kind of a confetti sort of page. Gold foil. It's a purple, I think, a lavender or a baby blue and gold foiling. And then there's a blue gingham eggs. And then this one, super pretty, with a happy Easter there at the top. And then here's the large bunny silhouette. Another cut apart. These are really cute. Super cute. Then a floral. A large pink gingham. A big frame page. This is not foiled. It's like a sprinkles page. That's cute. And then this is a fun page. That's super cute. I love that. Then the last page is kind of a combination of fruits and vegetables and flowers. That's really cute. That's it. All right, and then that's called Spring and Hop. Then the last one I wanted to show you is this dark elegance. I think this is going to be great for next fall and winter time. It's called, yeah, dark elegance. So this page, that's really pretty. Row. And then here's the dark black and white with some gold foiling floral page. Oh, you don't want to see my leg, do you? This is gorgeous. Purple and black and navy and the pinks in there. That's really pretty. And then this is like a kind of a vintage kind of pattern. It's really pretty. Ooh, that's really pretty. Gorgeous. Just black. And then really pretty black and burgundy and lavender floral page. And then here's just a big page of flowers. It's really pretty. And this one, we are trying to read it. Let your best be happy, always say I love you, say sorry, keep your promises, give lots of hugs. That's really cool. Just some encouraging words. And then here's the cut aparts, 6x6 ones. It's really pretty. Plant smiles, grow laughter, harvest love. That's really cool. And then this is a really subtle pattern. It's kind of hard to see. I think it's kind of like a shell pattern, but really subtle. Oh, that's lovely. Love that. Gorgeous. And then these are just some leaves. And then here is kind of a rose gold and black, maybe. Scrolly pattern. It's kind of neat. Another really subtle. They did a lot of subtle. You can hardly even tell there's a pattern on there. On this one. And then another floral. Another, it looks like they repeated this pattern. Oh, this is pretty. I love that. And then kind of a sprinkled gold. That's neat. Another subtle with the written words. It looks like the same sayings on there, but just more subtle. And then, oh, that's really pretty. Love that. And then another floral. And then another subtle scrolly kind of pattern. And then the last page is this wreath. So this is a gorgeous set as well. I think my favorite out of these three is the Meant to Be. I think I like that the best. But I think they're all pretty, really, this is beautiful. This is really cute. So why don't you comment down below what your favorite one is, and if you found another one that you really like, leave that comment down below. I'll go check it out as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe. Go on over to my Instagram and follow me there because I post things, try to daily, doesn't always happen, but I post my new videos. I also post things that are going up in my Etsy shop. So I'll see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.